What I have here is a 42-inch Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan. I just got this as a Christmas present, and I was originally going to get it earlier because, as some of you may know, this is the Lady Delta that was part of Dan Newman's fire sale. So Dan Newman originally got this fan, and then he gave it to me, and he looks like he fixed it up, and all I had to do was put the blades on it, put the switch cap on, and it turns out it's a really good fan. So we'll give this a spin. So we will give this a spin. And for those of you who haven't I talked about this in the new tone decorator video, that probably sometime in the next probably about 5 months or so, I will be testing fans, probably. And I did see Cool Cat 97's video, and that was really helpful, so let's give this a spin. Now, this has excellent bearings. It's in great shape. You can really tell he fixed it up. There we go. And it should work. What I'm going to do is there we go. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I might get a length. He never made a video of him testing this fan, I don't believe. But he has, sort of, you can kind of see it in the video. He never really shows a good look at it either. But at one point he talks about that there's 2 Hunter Coastal Breezes. He shows that, and behind them is the motor for this fan. So, hope you enjoyed. There will be more videos to come.